So here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that we've got plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the top, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge. And beneath that, the total miles for the car are 71,194. You can change the information displayed in that section using controls on the indicator stalk. You can, for example, have a digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, and forward collision warning system all over here. And over on the right hand side, phone and stereo controls. The central screen, it's all touch screen. We're on the home screen at the moment, so you do have a physical button to get you to there, and then everything else can be done up here. So for example, pairing your phone, just hit search device, follow the instructions on screen from there. Once you paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls, of course, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We also have auxiliary input, USB input, DAB, FM and AM radio as well. You can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps by connecting your smartphone to the USB within this car as well. Working our way down from there, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. And then beneath that, we can turn our traction control on and off. And this car turns on or off the lane departure warning system, which is a great safety feature in this car. And then finally, we have the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.